Hi everyone, this is our weekly guide to May the 11th. I'm going to teach you about how to answer the questions in the knowledge check this week for Star Wars Part 2. Now before we start, I do have to say, I hope you guys have taken a chance to look at the sheet music already, because the song is pretty hard and it's going to take at least 2 to 3 times of practice a day or every other day at the minimum in order to get this song correct. So let's go ahead and get into, let me change my screen here in a second. Let's go ahead and get into what are the new notes this week. So this is the first note that I wanted to talk about. This symbol is the Ocarina tablature, or Ocarina Tab for short, for the note high F. This is the highest note on the ocarina, and you play it by having no fingers touching any of the holes on the ocarina. You still use your right hand support fingers to hold onto the tip, and you can also use some of the spare fingers in your left hand to hold onto the other side so that it's still balanced, but you don't want to cover any of the holes. The next note that I'm going to show you is now high E. High E is one note lower than high F. As you can see, you still have your two thumbs, the two holes at the bottom. Sorry, I'm getting confused. The two holes at the bottom, those are your thumb holes. So both of those are white, so that means that they're open. Your thumbs are off. And then the one hole on top that is colored in, that means your left hand pinky is covering that hole. This note, when we play Star Wars, is going to come right after high F. So you're going to have to go ba ba and bring your left pinky down to come off of that high note. You don't have to play it for long, so if it doesn't sound that good when you try to hold it out long, it's because you kind of don't want to do that. You want to hit this note fast and then jump off of it to the next one. The next note I'm going to show you appears towards the end of Star Wars Part 2, and this is A flat. Similar to B flat, which was just your index and your pinky finger adding in the right hand ring finger. So the position for B, adding in your ring finger to make it flat. This is the position for A, which is your index, middle, and pinky finger, adding in your ring finger to make it flat, making it A flat. This note appears at that scale at the end of the song while you're going down. It's a little bit hard to coordinate. It comes off of B flat though, so you're going to be in B flat just like we practiced in Pop Goes the Weasel and in Happy Birthday, and then you just have to bring your middle finger down to play A flat. The last new note that appears in the Star Wars theme song is E flat. Now this note is a little bit tricky to think of because it's all your left hand fingers down and then your index and your ring skipping your middle finger and leaving your pinky off. If you think about it with the same rule that we just used for A flat and B flat, bringing down your ring finger, it's the same kind of concept, except if you brought down your index, middle, and ring, that would just be D. That would just be the second note that we've learned on the ocarina so far. So what they did instead when they were designing it is that they made E flat sound when you just lift your middle finger off instead, and you just have your index finger and your ring finger playing the note. In the Star Wars theme, you are coming down off of regular F. So that would be when you are having all your left hand fingers down and just your index finger. You will then add your ring finger to it to get to E flat. Those are the 4 new notes that appear in Star Wars. The knowledge check this week is a multiple choice 4-question quiz about those 4 notes. So make sure that you can recognize from the image which one is which, and then you'll be able to answer those questions. That's really all that I had for you for the weekly guide today. I hope that you guys are still practicing, and I will see you soon. Bye.